to create AI influencers like this one you're seeing on my screen right now. Guys, you don't have to sit down for hours scripting your videos and editing your videos when you can actually use AI to create content. I mean, smart creators that have AI influencers as brand on their channels and their pages right now are earning thousands of dollars per month. So I'm going to show you how to create an AI influencer like this for yourself using just your smartphone and the free AI tool. Okay, with AI influencers, you can create adverts, you can create social media content like TikTok videos, Instagram videos, and even Facebook videos, and a whole lot of things. Okay,
So guys, now to create the AI influencer, all I did was I already have my picture right now. You can create it using your picture, or if you want it to look like you can use your own picture as reference image. But if you don't want it to look like you, then you can go on and use whatever image that the AI generates for you. Right now I just uploaded my picture and I said how to create an AI influencer is a content gap on my YouTube trends analytics right now, and I want to make a tutorial about it. So I just said write me a prompt, a detailed master prompt of an AI influencer using this reference image. I want her to advertise a perfume and how she has found value since she started using it. Make it 16 by 9 and also show different shots of how she looks while sitting and all of that. So guys, he went on to reply and send me a master prompt. Okay, now the prompt is just back and forth from this point, right? If you need the entire prompt, I'll leave it in my Telegram community where you can easily get access to it, and of course generate your own AI influencer. Okay, because the prompt is plenty. So I just quickly go through it anyway. So they gave me a master prompt, and in that master prompt, everything was there. It gave me scene, it gave me aspect ratio, camera shot, as you can see right now, camera movement, and character animation, and all of that. So yeah, it brought out a lot of things, including sound design and of course dialogue, and everything was arranged in one place. But something I found that, and also gave me negative prompts. Now, the way it arranged it, now there's no way you can use it and get accurate results, right? So I just said, give me an image prompt for the lady. Please separate everything into scene by scene for easy step-by-step usage, and also add dialogues in the scenes, but make it short and engaging, right? Remember, it's AI. Dialogues are not supposed to be too much, like too lengthy. Do you understand? So yeah, after sending that prompt, ChatGPT went on to give me a scene by scene workflow, okay, by giving me another prompt. Okay, now it turned it into scene one. It turned it into different scenes with image prompts, animation prompts, camera movement, sound effect, and of course dialogue. Now look at the first dialogue. I finally found the perfume everyone keeps asking me about. So that dialogue is short, precise, but yet very engaging. So this is the prompt that ChatGPT gave me for the script. So like I said before, you can actually get access to all of this prompt. Okay, I'll leave it in my Telegram community, guys, because it's quite plenty and all of those things. So when you get there, you can easily check out the prompt and generate your own videos. Now let's move on. I went on to send my picture again. Okay, and I copied the image prompt that ChatGPT gave me to generate my AI influencer. I said use the uploaded reference image for facial consistency, a beautiful young African woman with dark skin, shoulder length, color, coily black hair, and all of that. These are just my description, right? And something I said, look at it. I said, my picture is just like my head frame only. The bottom is not showing to my legs, right? Now look at what I did here. I said make her wear a black jeans trouser and fit into the background perfectly. And also on the perfume bottle, let it be branded as Joy Scents. Do you understand? I said let her drop her hand beautifully on her thighs. Now look at what ChatGPT went on to generate for me, because this is my image prompt for my AI influencer. Look at it, guys. This is super beautiful. Are you seeing it? It's very accurate. Let's zoom in. If you check the perfume, it's showing Joy Scents. So this is how to prompt your AI. Do you understand? You prompt AI as in precisely, so that AI can give you the best out of what you're trying to generate. Now I'll just go back, and before we go, let's download this, because we're going to head over to the AI tool that we're going to be using for today's tutorial, guys. So yeah, if you go to Chrome, okay, but before then, let's copy our first scene. Okay, I like to copy my first scene so I don't have to come back here instantly. Okay, we already have the image prompt. Right now the animation prompt is what we're going to copy down to the dialogue. Do you understand? Getting to Chrome, I'll just head over to the search bar and search for Premiere. Okay, this is the website we're going to be using, Premiere AI. As you can see right now, this is the right one. Okay, make sure you choose the right one. Okay, so immediately you come on this platform, the next thing to click is start free. Okay, click on this start free, and of course, you already know the drill. Just go on and log in using your Google account. Okay, so guys, yes, I'm signed in already, as you can see. Welcome to Premiere. Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you so much. Now it's just asking you a few questions to know about you. It's asking if you're an independent content creator or if you're a brand and marketing team. I mean, I'm independent, so I'll just go ahead and pick that one. and then I'll click on next. Okay, and then I'll click on next as well. You can as well skip it if you want. Now it's asking you where you go to find out about them or where you post more. There's no prompt here, so I'll just choose YouTube. It's YouTube for me every now and then. I'm a YouTube lover. So yeah, static graphic post, YouTube long video, live stream script, YouTube long video, get started. So yeah, we have answered all of the questions as you can see right here. So immediately you sign up on this platform, you'll be given 100 credits as you can see right here. So guys, to generate our videos, we'll just scroll down, okay, to this part where it says agents, right? Now, if you click on this plus icon, you can actually upload your picture. Remember, we already have our picture, right, which is my AI influencer. So I'll click on the media picker and I'll select my picture, which is this one right here, and of course it will be uploaded to this platform. Now for the agent, I'll just go ahead and tap on the agent and I'll just go on and select video. Okay, and this part where it says describe the scene, I will paste my prompt right here. Okay, remember we already copied our prompt from ChatGPT before we left. We have both my picture and my prompt right in place. Now this part that has a box with a green dot, I'll click on it, and right here I'll be able to select the models that I want to use for this. If you see right now, it's highlighted on video. If you click on image, it will ask you to switch to design to use image models. So you cannot use video for image models. If you want to use the image model, then you need to switch this agent back to design. Do you understand? Now for the models that are available right here, if you scroll down, there is Seedance 2.0, but it's locked. If you can see right now, it's locked. Then there's Kling 3. There's Kling 3.0, there's Seedance 2.0 mini, and of course other version as well, other models. But I'll just go on and pick Seedance 2.0 mini for this particular video generation. Okay, now it's asking me for speed, quality, and everything, because I'll just leave it in the default. Okay, I'll leave it in the default. I don't want to do too much, so I'll leave it in the default. They know best, they know what's going to work for you. And besides, this is like a credit demo. It's not as if we're subscribed to the premium plan, so we'll make do with what we have, right? The most important thing is that we're able to generate videos from this platform. Okay, now that we have that out of the way, we'll click on these two dotted lines or this part that says auto. We'll click on it, and of course we'll be able to select our aspect ratio. Always remember to select your aspect ratio. It's really important to do, because that's going to make your video come out rightly. I'm going with 16:9. So this platform currently, I think, offers just these two aspect ratio, because that's what we can see right here, which is for the YouTube videos and the Facebook and TikTok videos, or the YouTube shorts. Okay, now I'll pick the 16:9. That's where my image falls under. Now for the duration, you always remember that the longer the video, the higher the credits. So I think we'll leave it in auto, because for the resolution, I'll just go on and pick 480 pixels. Okay, because we're trying to economize and minimize, right? Remember that. Always remember that. Everything is ready, and the next thing I'll do is just go on and click on send it, and then I'll wait for it to generate. Okay, our video is generating already, guys. As you can see, Freya is working on our video. Video is ready, as you can see. Before it generates our video, it analyzes it. Okay, are you seeing? Say I love this setup, warm golden light, blah blah blah. So it just analyzed it. Now this is the video right here. Okay, I'll just go on and play it. Okay,
I finally found the perfume everyone keeps asking me about.
so it came out with 7 seconds, and that's good, really good, guys. It means you can even make your dialogue a little longer than this, right? So I'll just go back so that I can download this particular video. I like it and I can work with it. So this is how you generate for each and every one of them.
So guys, something funny happened after generating my video. When you click on this button, it's supposed to show download right here, but it's not showing. I tried navigating through the other side, but it's not working. So what I just did to save my video was I played the video and then I screen recorded it just to save it. It kept redirecting me. I don't know if it's just from my hand. It's just in case you run into such challenge, you can as well save it the same way I did, okay? And then you can edit it in CapCut, okay? Just upscale it and zoom in CapCut, and that's it. You have your video. So thank you for watching, guys, and see you in the next one.